In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an email subscriber list to Beehiiv. This process is essential for efficiently managing your newsletter and can streamline your communications with your audience. So let's dive right in and make sure your subscriber list is effectively imported and ready to go. First things first, you'll want to log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left panel on your dashboard. This is where most of the navigation will take place. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find the settings option. Click on settings and this will open up a whole new set of options for you related to your publication settings. In the settings menu, take a look at the left panel again. You should see something that says subscribers import. Click on subscribers import and this is where you'll start the process of bringing your email list onto Beehiiv. After you're here, you'll need to click on new subscribers import. This will initiate the procedure of adding your new subscribers to the platform. You now have a choice to make about how you want to import your subscribers. You have two main methods to choose from, so let's break those down. The first method is to upload a CSV file. This is particularly recommended if you're dealing with a larger list of subscribers because it allows you to import multiple entries all at once. The second option is to copy and paste a list of email addresses. This is often more suitable for smaller lists that don't require as much bulk handling. As you proceed, you'll notice there's an advanced configurations section. These configurations are optional but can indeed enhance the way you welcome and manage your new subscribers. For instance, you can choose to send a welcome email to your newly imported subscribers, a great way to make a positive first impression and engage your audience right from the start. There are also options to add your subscribers to specific automations. This feature is invaluable if you already have a structured email strategy that involves automated sequences. Additionally, consider applying tags to your subscribers. Tags are an excellent tool for segmentation and targeting, allowing you to tailor your communications more effectively based on different subscriber characteristics. Once you've made all your selections, it's time to confirm your actions. Click on Confirm Subscribers Import. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is set correctly. Finally, click Import to confirm your choice and begin the import process. If you opted to import your subscribers via a CSV file, there will be an additional step where you'll be prompted to map the fields from the CSV. This step is vital for ensuring that data such as names and email addresses align correctly within Beehiiv. And that's it. You've successfully imported your email subscriber list into Beehiiv. By following these steps, you ensure that your communication with your subscribers is both smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.